The Nike Air Max 90 Realtree Edge delivers a bold yet wearable take on a classic silhouette. This model features a predominantly black upper built from layered nylon and suede, creating depth through texture rather than color. The Realtree Edge camouflage appears on the collar, tongue label, and insole, adding an outdoor-inspired detail that subtly stands out during wear. A cool gray swoosh provides clean contrast against the darker materials, while the Nike branding remains understated to keep the design balanced. The midsole stays true to the iconic Air Max 90 shape, highlighted by a visible air unit with soft gray accents that break up the jet black outsole. Thoughtful stitching and overlapping panels enhance the sneaker's three-dimensional look. Overall, the Air Max 90 Realtree Edge blends nature-inspired patterns with street-ready styling, making it a versatile option for everyday rotation while staying true to Air Max heritage.